Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys how can we enable guys talkback mode setting in our Samsung phone device, and after enable guys how can we use guys talkback setting. Today friends we are going to talk about it. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we enable talkback. Open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, scroll it friends, you can see get this type of setting friends. Click on guys your phone accessibility setting guys, tap here accessibility friends, click on your talkback setting friends. You want to enable your talkback setting, so friends you can enable it, and guys you can use like talkback friends. You can see spoken feedback so that they can use your device without looking at the screen. So friends you can see guys we will enable from this right side guys. Allow guys, give permission from here and turn on it, and friends allow it, double tap friends, come back with double tap. So friends you can use guys talk back at this two finger guys, any two finger guys you can operate, one finger will not work. So guys a person guys who is blind guys, they cannot see properly guys, so when they use talk back, how? Because guys they want to on like Play Store. So guys when they click on Play Store, sound like that Play Store, they listen Play Store, and guys they double tap to on it Play Store. So like that guys we can use guys talkback setting guys after enable it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.